To enter pen mode, select the pull-up menu, select the brush, and then select pen mode. To select your collaboration options, press the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. In this instance, we have a PC hooked up, so we're going to press PC and then HDMI 1. Now we can use the computer as if we had a mouse and keyboard hooked up. You can start a local whiteboard using the Zoom client. You can use the whiteboard feature without having to be in a meeting. You can open and annotate an image within the whiteboard app. Open Zoom, start a new meeting, press on whiteboards, press on your preset whiteboard setting. We're going to do new whiteboard this time, double tap, and now we can collaborate in whatever way we choose. For ease of use, we're going to enter full screen mode. To do that, we're going to press the view button in the top right corner of Zoom, and then we'll enter full screen. To collaborate with guests, we need to enable sharing for all participants. Let the collaboration begin. You can also create sticky notes for more organized collaboration. You can also use a template to organize your work. Open up whiteboards, select templates, and double tap the one of your choosing. With these tools, now you can collaborate using Zoom whiteboards on a Samsung Flip. Enjoy!